In order to create citations using EasyBib on day 2 of this assignment, here is a quick refresher on what you should be doing today. In Schoology, you need to go to Courses and the blue 4. Then you need to go into the Books and find the purple Research folder. From here, you need the purple Citations Practice folder, and everything that you need to complete the assignment is in here. Here is the bibliography template where you will paste your citations when you complete. You should already have the National Geographic Kids Jellyfish article cited and sitting in your template. Here is the link to the EasyBib website. You will need to open that. And then you will need to choose the Britannica School Jellyfish article if you have already finished this one, or if you haven't finished this one, start here. So this is citation 1, 2, 3. Here's a quick reminder of how to cite a source in EasyBib. The first thing that you're going to do is click up here and copy the URL or the web address into EasyBib. So click once so it's highlighted, Control C to copy, go back to EasyBib, and where it says Cite, Control V to paste, and click Cite It. Make sure that you are not just copying and pasting that URL into your bibliography. You have to create the citation. Now here it finds the citation and it says cite this, and I say yes, cite this. If you get this little message, it will send you to the right form. Otherwise, you can click here. And now this is the fill in the blank section that you worked on last time. So we can go content published originally on a website. Yes. Article title, was the article title Jellyfish? Let's go look. Here's our title. So yes, it was Jellyfish. Is there an author? We can look for an author. If we scroll through and we don't see an author's name, that means there is no author for this article and we will leave it blank. So I'm going to scroll down, leaving that blank. Website title, kids, games, animals, photos, stories, and more. That is not the website title, and sometimes EasyBib makes mistakes. If I go back and look at my article, here is the website title. It is National Geographic Kids. So I'm going to fix that. My publisher, remember I find all the way at the bottom next to where it says copyright. So down here, copyright 2017, National Geographic Partners, LLC. So I need to take that and put it into my citation. My URL will be correct because I copied and pasted that directly from my article. So that will be correct. And I'm going to leave my electronically published date because this is coming from the background of the website, and then I click Create Citation. This is what I'm going to copy and paste where it says, hooray, here's your new citation. I can click Copy and Paste. It highlights it for me. Control C. Now I go back and open my template. You will choose My Document. And then notice where my cursor is blinking. I need to make sure my cursor goes down a line. And then I am going to Control Paste. And there's my article. I can hit return a few times and I am ready to start my second one. So I will go back to my jellyfish article and I will close it. I will go back to my bibliography citation practice, use your breadcrumbs. And now I choose my second article and I go through the same process. When I am all done and I have 3 citations in my template, then I will submit my assignment in Schoology.